Hey, history is about to be made as the ancient city is set to host the first annual Benin City Film Festival, BCFF, from the 14th to 17th November 2018. The 4-day event with the theme Film, a veritable tool for job creation, will host filmmakers from around the world. The event will include an exceptionally commanding lineups of films, seminars and workshops, including panels and symposiums focusing on women and youth, both as filmmakers and as subject. There will be awards and gala night. Guests will be taking on a tourist destinations in Edo State. Are you a filmmaker? Then show the stuff you're made of by entering your movie for possible awards. Log on to www.bcff.org.ng. Are you a musician, dancer, poet, painter, sculptor? You're not left out. You can exhibit your work at the venue. Be part of history. It is the first ever Benin City Film Festival from November 14th to 17th, 2018 at the Civic Center, Airport Road, Benin City. For partnership and participation, contact FA on 070-623-68543 or Victoria on 090-350-49958. Be there.